Everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you my wood turning workshop and how I prepare to do some wood turning. So let's get started. First I need my jacket on. Now I have my jacket on, I need to tie my hair up. My hair is up, now I need to go outside and get the extension lead out. So we're outside now and my extension lead is in my shed. I'll get it out and I'll show you what happens then. I have my extension lead out and let's go up to my playhouse. This is going to take a very long time because the wires are tangled. The wires are in a complete mess, so I'll have to come back to you once I've sorted it. Guys, so I think I am sorted with the wire. It's not a mess anymore. There's no wire left, so pull the wire through. So the wire is all outside now and I've got to plug it into the plug socket. So I'll show you that. So this is my shed with my freezer, and then the plug socket is just here. And what you've got to do is you've got to click reset and then test. Right, so that's all plugged in. Let's take it up to my workshop. Shut my kitchen door. There we go. Let's go. So, we're in my house, in my garden. It's very sunny today. So I brought the plug socket up, and then what I've got to do is, oh, it's very sunny, just wiggle that up, and I'll show you that in a minute. So the wire is now up, and let's get my lathe out. My lathe usually goes here, and so it's empty, and now watch. To this. Now my lathe's all out, I need to plug it in. So here's the plug. A little sneak peek of what's inside. And then my plug socket usually reaches to here, and I will show you once it's done. So it is all plugged in and my lathe is out, and we need to check if it works. Yep, it's spinning. So that's my little lathe tour. Guys, so today I'm going to show you my playhouse workshop. So let's go inside. So it's got a double door here that shuts, so you can open the top one and the bottom one only. And inside we go. Right, so we're inside. It's quite small because I got it when I was like 7 years old. So I'm stood where there's some steps, there's a top bit, then I'm stood on the floor where there's most of my wax and stuff. Let's just shut the door so no wind comes in. Right, so inside I have, up here I have most of my wood, my stuff that I have already made, some waxes, but it's mostly all wood. Let me show you. So there's this here. That's my box full of waxes from chestnut, and there in the this big box here is my stuff that I've already made before and I keep for like sales and stuff. Then this is my little pen bit. So sorry it's a bit dark in here, I haven't got lighting in here, but these are all my pens. Here I have all my square blanks, I have some rectangular blanks, I have tiny blanks, like small little rectangle blanks, I have some round pieces of wood, my bow blanks here, yeah, then, oh that's a bow blank. Got my brown pieces of wood, these are all pen blanks, and some more round pieces of wood, and my waxes, so I will show you what waxes I have got. So these are all the waxes I have, or stuff that I get from chestnut. So I've got 9 pots of these iridescent paints. So this one's pink and it's very sparkly. So I have 9 of them. I have acrylic satin lacquer. So I have 2 of these. I have some food safety finish, which is just a big tub. I have 2 acrylic gloss lacquers. And I have 2 of these black spray paints, and I also have some acrylic sanding sealer and some cellulose sanding sealer as well. And also, I think I also have a pot of sanding sealer which I really like, so these can go in. So in the bottom I have some more wooden logs, my tailstock, a hook for my masking tape, some boxes of like things that I can make and use. This my safety shield, which should be on there, so I'll put that up in a minute. I've stabilised wood from Chris, still to use. I have my drill. I have my drill bits. I have this big box full of like sandpaper and masking tape and stuff. And some more stuff, my pyrography kit. The bag full of like wooden pens and stuff. And then I have a roll of sandpaper. A box down there which has bow blanks in, some clockwork that David gave me, and a box of mirrors down there. So yeah, this is my tour. So it looks really messy, but it's really not that messy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye. Didn't show you in my getting my lathe out, was my tailstock was in my playhouse. I got it laid out on a set of drawers here, and inside the first drawer doesn't open. The second drawer I have sanding discs, so I've got 2 of them, some extra sandpaper, my screw chuck that I made, my spanner, my tool to lock my lathe, and the bottom for my tool stop. And then the 3rd drawer down I have a brush. But what else that I have in here is my chisels. So I have all my chisels in here. And that's how I start my wood turning videos. But I also have my toolbox, which is full of my wood turning stuff, obviously. And now I need to get my on. So now I have my smack on, I can start wood turning.